We are FlocBot, and we are a hardware and software system designed to help water treatment plants find their optimal chemical dose.
Water treatment plants have kind of been neglected in terms of people in the industry coming in and inventing new tools for them to use. Right now, the way that they optimize their chemical dose is the same method they've been using for 105 years, and it's called jar testing.
Everybody drinks water, and everybody pays for that water. And by finding the optimal chemical dose, you can decrease it and save a lot of money, and that cost is carried down to everyone.
About a year and a half ago, I went on a trip to El Salvador for a water distribution project I was working on, and I met an advisor named Bert Vermeulen. He told me to meet with a guy named Dr. Jordan, who's 90 years old, and he lives in Boulder, and he has been in the water treatment industry for 60 years, and we had a great discussion, and that's how FlocBot became what it is now.
We have an amazing team. Everybody is brilliant, hardworking, and really fun to be around, so it's just been great to get to know everyone.
I mean, we have 13 engineers on this project from various disciplines. It's highly interdisciplinary, and just trying to coordinate how everything's going to work with them and who is doing what and defining roles within our group. It can be hard to navigate, but learning how to do that is a huge skill that I've learned from this project.